Alright, 2024 ZX6R. Mountain balance tires and adjust valves. Let's go. Pirelli Angel STs. Solder pin is out. Rim guard. We don't want damaged rims around here. This has an aluminum valve stem, so I don't need to change that. Bing. Know I'm saying? Bink, bink. Ba-boom. Woo! Woo! $39. $32. Remove the stock weights. I don't like to leave messes on rims. I always get all the old sticky off. Just a little brake clean and some elbow grease. Whoever did the last tire left their wheel weight sticky in the middle. Beautiful. Eventually I will be getting a tripod. I want you to be able to see everything from my point of view, so probably some glasses camera. I don't think those will last. They won't have enough recording time, but I don't know, we'll learn as we go along. I just want to be able to show you guys what I do every day. Alright. $20 ounces. Rim is very straight. That's good. 0. Alright guys, get the cush drives put in. Nice and clean. Lock the chain adjusters. Alright. Now that is a new rear tire.